concerning this Emin, sir. If we are agreed that yes, we want to save our money that we are rather throw away or spend. My own question is it the investment aspect of it for us to get at our returns? Is that going to be what we have to work on, or is it how is that going to be fashioned out? Because you know what you also always tell us that when we learn from the best, from improving, he said the best rule of investment, never lose money. Second rule, never forget the first rule. So if we are going to go into something, I don't know if we are going to have an idea how the investment are going to be. You know, since there's going to be a return on investment, definitely something being invested in. So I don't know if you can be permitted to ask concerning this. Thank you very much.
God bless you. Transforming lives for life.
I'm on my way.
Yes, if you had looked at the product itself, we have what we call T&C, terms and conditions. One of them is that there will be a board of trustees for this fund. It will include 5 persons of unblemished character. It will include 5 persons of unblemished character. And from that BOT, I will recuse myself. I would not want to be a member of that body, to ensure that whatever investments we want to make, that body will be responsible for ratifying it. That body will be responsible for reviewing the pros and the cons, so that once they decide, it becomes binding on all of us. The investment will not be up for debate in the general house. It's a board of trustees of 5 members of the investors network itself, of Emin. 5 people of what? Unblemished character. So it's going to be highly character driven. So I will recuse myself from that body, but will be like an overseer to ensure that that body is only populated by people of impeccable character. So they would take that decision. And that decision will usually be taken annually. Annually. When we have gathered enough money for 1 year, at the end of 1 year, they make that investment decision. Because the money itself must be substantial enough to ensure that we make a safe and worthy investment. You are right. Our priority is the security of the money over and above the returns. We would rather that we have no returns and people get back their capital than to have high capital and we cannot high returns and we can't find our capital. So yes, you are right, man. So it's not going to be the prerogative of one person. It's going to be a minimum of 5 people, and if we find it expedient, we could increase that to 7 people, but not exceeding 7. So they will sit down, look at the investment options available, and make a decision as to which we should go into. But our predominant focus will be real estate. Real estate. Because we know that real estate usually will appreciate over time. And the reason we want that BOT, Board of Trustees, is so that they can also consult professionals to ensure that we have good professional advice as to where we also buy our real estate, what kind of real estate we get into. But predominantly, our portfolio will be real estate driven. Yes. So I hope that answers our question. If you find out in the T&C of the product itself, terms and conditions, is there. Investment will be in annual tranches. So we are making those decisions annually. So during the course of the year, we have time to review our investment options, so that by the time the year is coming to an end, we lock in. Okay, so that's it, man. I do hope that answers your question.
Ebony work.
Transforming lives for life.
That is quite attractive.
Life for life.
And it's